Hi, my name is PV, and today I'm starting the new course about Amazon Web Service, A to Z, about a little bit more about AWS. So we are going for agenda. So this course is about to learn AWS service, like compute, networking service, how they work each service, like identity, mobile routing, security. This model provides you with a good grasp, so all you need to know about AWS service. This module has been designed to the AWS Solution Architect who has combined industry experience, more than 10-year experience. Our aim is to provide you to right knowledge which you need. So this course I'm going to in my coming lecture. Before we begin about the what is the path and about this module, then fundamental building block of AWS. In the fundamental building blocks of AWS, we are going to cover overview of AWS, security, identity, and compliance. And for so and then application integration, then availability zone and regions, and then AWS different kind of services. So services we talk about media service, machine learning analytical service, then management tool, then migration service, then customer engagement, business productivity service, then mobile service, AR and VR, and developer tools. And after that, we are going to talk about IAM, Identity Access Management. The next part is which is lecture 5. We are going to talk about the compute, which is very important. EC2, which is Elastic Compute Cloud, and ELB, Elastic Load Balancer. Then we talk about Lambda, serverless architecture. Then we talk about ECS, Elastic Container Service. Then we talk about storage, and storage we will talk about S3, which is simple storage service. Then we talk about EBS, Elastic Block Storage. Then we talk about EFS, Elastic File System. Then we talk about block storage and object. What is the difference? Then storage gateway and Snowfall. Next lecture, we are going to talk about database offering, general database, and like RDS, DynamoDB, Redshift, Aurora, Elasticsearch, and Aperture. And next part, we are going to talk about routing, DNS basics, routing 5.3, direct connect, and CloudFront with the content delivery network CDN. And VPC, we are going to talk about virtual private cloud VPC and VPC peering. And then we are going to talk about the application service, which we are going to talk about simple queue service SQS, simple workflow service SWRP. And then we are going to talk about general design principle, well architecture framework overview, well architecture framework security. And then we are going to talk about we are going to talk about cost optimization, reliability, performance, efficiency, operational excellence, and final remarks about AWS. So please like and subscribe my channel so I can create a valuable course for free for you guys. Thank you for watching.